Crafting with Cass.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're riding. So today's DIY is going to be a back to school DIY, and I'm going to actually just be using some shopping bags from some top retailers that I saved, as well as I'm going to be using some composition notebooks that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be upgrading these composition notebooks and making them into a little bit more fashionable, as well as a lot more designer because of the bags that I'm going to be using. So I'm super excited about this project because it should be super easy using minimal materials, as well as this video is in collaboration with the Sophisticated Teacher, and I'm going to go ahead and link her channel in the description box below. But her channel features some on-trend clothing pieces that she sews herself. And so I'm going to go ahead and whip up some cute stationery for back to school. And she's going to go ahead and pair it up and whip up some cute clothing pieces for back to school. So together, you'll be back to school ready. So this particular project won't use a lot of materials, probably just be using the shopping bags, the notebooks, and then some Mod Podge to adhere everything. So without any more further hesitation, let's go ahead and let's get right started with the materials that we will use for this project. The only thing purchased for this project were the notebooks from the Dollar Tree. You're going to start by deconstructing the bag. Trace the notebook cover measurements onto the bag paper. So here I'm just trying to cut the access so I can get a more precision cut and more of a sleek look. And duplicate the same process for the bag. And then using the dry setting of the iron, I used some transfer paper that I've used in one of my previous projects to just try to get some of the wrinkles out of the paper.
Let's go!
Create the same process using the other two notebooks.